The trial for the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students in 2022, that trial has now been moved to Boise, will be held at the Latah County Courthouse. Just yesterday, the Idaho Supreme Court, they published documents that show the move is official. Bryan Kohberger's trial next summer officially moved from Latah to Latah County, which made Elaine wonder who decided that Judge John Judge would no longer be presiding over the Kohberger trial, himself or the Supreme Court. It's a good question. Well, Elaine, I want to start from the beginning here. We'll start with this, a change of venue request by the Kohberger team. His attorneys did that on September 6th because the defense argues that they do not think they can have an unbiased jury trial in Latah County. So, Latah County District Court Judge John Judge, he made a lot of rulings in this case so far, and he signed off on this motion to change the venue. He had the opportunity to consider himself for the case, but chose not to and didn't specify why. But former Idaho Attorney General Dave Leroy says it could be because of his current caseload in Latah County.
If we were to move him to Latah County, then essentially all of his cases, dozens of cases, hundreds of cases that he's already assigned in Latah County would have to be reassigned to other judges. That would be extremely problematic for the 2nd District. It's easier for the 4th District simply to assign a new judge to the case.
According to the Idaho Supreme Court transfer trial rules, if a judge chooses not to stay with the case, then they leave the decision to select a new judge and venue up to the Idaho Supreme Court. So, Elaine, to answer your original question, Judge Judge, through his own decision, asked the Idaho Supreme Court to assign a new judge for the case for reasons that we do not fully know. Supreme Court chose Latah County for the trial location, and Latah County Judge Stephen Hippler to take over the case. Bryan Kohberger's murder trial is set to start next summer.